average loft conversion, how many roof windows, Dakea roof windows would you install?
It's subject to each client's requests really. It can be anywhere between 1 all the way up to an infinite number. A lot of factors do come into play, the type of property that they're in. Your typical bungalows have a much larger footprint, so a larger roof structure. They can have up to 13, 14 windows in them.
We did the case study 4 or 5 years ago, didn't we? Where there was 13 windows in that one.
We did indeed.
That was huge.
It was. Some roof structures, they're only able to take one S6 size window. Some, like the one that we're on, can take 3 M4 windows. But you see, there's a number of factors that do come into play with the windows. Majority comes down to what the customer wants, but we will always advise them what we think is going to achieve the biggest amount of light within the property and maximise the space in there.
So going back to this project, how many are going in this project?
So there's 3 M4 Ultima windows being fitted.
So they're going for the top end,
they're going for
the best quality window.
Yes, they are. The reason we're going for the top end windows is to combat the latest regulation changes. As part of the loft conversion industry, there's been a huge overhaul on building regulations. We have to hit a U value now of 0.13 right throughout the build, and using the Ultima windows does help us achieve that very low U value then. So it makes logical sense to use the best quality window there, along with the best quality installations and products that we use right throughout any project anyway.
Just as a side to that, are you registering your windows for the rewards?
I am indeed.
You're a good boy. Because you did very well, didn't you, on the last versions?
The last versions, I did very well on them. Very well indeed.
And obviously with the reward scheme we've got now, it's not an automatic way that they get the 20-year guarantee. Do you advise the homeowners to register them? I do indeed. Once we depart the project, as part of their closing pack that I send them with all our personal guarantees, I make sure that they all should get their windows registered, and I give them the links on how to do that as well. Excellent.
Northern Building Plastics. Why collect when we can deliver?